Okay, so it's recording.
Okay. Question number 1. See if a hot liquid turns to a gas in a very cold morning. If we're all frozen.
That's cool.
Go over to the steps so you can get a better picture of it.
Over to the steps where?
Can you get a picture? Can you make a still off of that?
Go up that way and throw it. Not too far. Okay. I have to hurry because it's a bury out. You ready?
I'm ready. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Lights, camera.
That is so cool.
Should have got one down there when it actually turns. Turn on the hot water. Get that?
Yeah.